So in the Ever Forward Club, Taking Off the Mask workshop, we make masks that represent our outer and inner characteristics. Our outer characteristics we gladly show to other people, and our inner characteristics we usually try to hide and not let people see those inner characteristics.
My experience was truly amazing.
At first, I was kind of a bit iffy sharing a lot of my personal stories.
If you look deeper into it, people were able to express themselves who wouldn't really think about doing it before or wouldn't really take the initiative themselves.
At the beginning of the workshop, I guess I felt a little bit uncomfortable. I don't know how I'd be able to share out how I usually feel on the inside.
As I got more comfortable presenting to the students, I could tell that they got more comfortable with me.
But as we went on, I was making a more open and deep environment for more people to speak about what they're truly feeling.
What we hide only hurts us, because if we surround ourselves with good people, then we should be able to open up to them.
You shouldn't always judge people you meet on what they show or what they don't try to show.
I'm part of the Ever Forward peer mentoring program to help bring awareness to mental health.
I became a peer mentor to help others know that they're not alone.
A lot of our peers go through the same things and we don't know, and they're really good at hiding it. And so it was just a way to understand each other and grow as a community.
Welcome to the Million Mask Movement Peer Mentoring Project. We're super excited to be able to announce that we have launched a new program that is going to do amazing things for not only our community here in the Bay Area, communities around the country, but even around the world. The Peer Mentoring Project is a program that trains young people to take the Million Mask movement into their classrooms, into schools in their neighborhood, into organizations, anywhere they are inspired to help people with taking off the mask.
Being part of this program, I was able to see other kids open up, and it allowed me to come to terms with my emotions as well.
It will create more opportunities for people who are struggling with mental health, and it'll create more resources for mental health in schools.
We need to talk about these types of feelings more often when we encounter difficulties in our lives. We need to console each other more often.
I feel like it was a life changer for me personally, because I was going through a really difficult time. It's just what I needed to be like, it's okay. My experiences could help others.